Hello everyone, Karen Miller here. So I'm going to do a curry. I love curries. So we're going to put a lot of spices here. This is what is going to give your curry that flavor. Now I did not have time to grind up to toast and grind some seeds, but I'm gonna use the seeds whole. It's gonna be fine. So I'm going to have here, I'm gonna put some cumin. Let this start to toast. I have some fenugreek, which is also part of curry powder. Now curry powder is a mixture of some spices, you know, turmeric, fenugreek, cumin, coriander. That is what curry powder is. I don't really use curry powder. I just put all of these other things. I have some turmeric here. That's going to start toasting. I have some coriander seeds. And I have some fennel. So this is going to toast. When I come back, I'm going to add some green onions and some tomatoes. So I'm back and my spices have toasted. I think I'm also going to add some coriander powder. So I have the seeds and I'm going to add some powder as well. Now I'm going to cut up my scallions in here. I'm doing all of this over the pot very quickly. Going to add my tomatoes. Going to add some salt and some red pepper flakes. This is a great thing about curries, is that you can just add whatever veggie. I have some roasted yellow peppers that I did yesterday, so I'm just adding that in there. It was just sitting around, so I added that. I want to add some ginger as well. Now I have this large piece of ginger here, so I'm going to shave off pieces. You can grate it or you can do this. I like doing this. Lately I've been shaving off the ginger like this. I feel like I get more flavor and I get more from it than when I grate it, and this is faster, easier. Just shave it off like that. Alright, when I come back, we're gonna dump all the veggies in there. So these are the veggies from making my platter. You just dump everything in there. You don't want to waste, right? Waste not, want not. So this is going to be good. I'm also going to put some sweet potatoes in this. Trader Joe's had sweet potatoes because, you know, Thanksgiving is coming around and they have the sweet potatoes. So I'm going to add some sweet potatoes to this. So this is simmering here. I'm going to add some more celery here. So I'm doing this quickly. This is how I cook mostly. Quickly cutting over the stove, over the pot. This is smelling really good. I'm going to add the sweet potatoes. Gonna salt this. So I also added some of the zucchini because I don't want it to sit in the refrigerator and spoil. So I'm stirring this in. Garam masala is also a key ingredient in curries. I don't have it, I cannot find mine. So one of the ingredients in garam masala is cinnamon. So I'm adding a little bit of cinnamon powder here. And I'm also going to add some allspice. And all of these spices are very, very healthy. So this is smelling good, looking good. I'm going to add some water now and let this simmer for an hour. I added 2 cups of water and I'm going to let this simmer for an hour, and it should be good in an hour. Hello guys, I'm back. This has been simmering for over 2 hours. I got involved in other things, but you know, the longer this simmers, the better it's going to be. So this is really, really good. So I'm going to now plate this and taste it because it's 4:30 in the afternoon. I haven't eaten all day. As you know, I'm intermittent fasting, and this would be my first meal for the day. My last meal was at 9:30 last night. So I'm going to plate this and have a taste. So I have some white basmati rice here. I love basmati rice. It has a nice nutty flavor and it goes so well with curries. I'm going to put some of my curried vegetables on here with a little bit of sauce. You see the potato, the sweet potato is really soft. The longer you cook a curry, the better off it would be, you know, better tasting, the happier you would be. This is smelling really, really good. And I'm going to put some chow chow on top of this. This is where your chow chow comes in. See, right here over the rice. Delicious. Like that. So let me take a taste. So guys, let's taste this. I'm on my way to pick up my daughter from gymnastics. So this is so good. Let me taste some of the chow chow, mix it up with the curry and the rice. That contrast, the tanginess from the chow chow, the curry. This is so good. Yes, I am having white rice. It's so delicious, basmati rice. Eat whatever rice you like. And wild rice, by the way, is not wild. And it's not rice, it's a grass. But that's story for another time. In the meantime, I'm gonna enjoy this. Go to the gym, pick up my daughter. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves.